Hi, Attorney Brenton Begley. I'm an attorney and partner with McIntyre Elder Law, and I want to talk to you about undue influence. Was the document you're looking at a product of undue influence? Whether it's a will, a power of attorney, a contract, a deed, these things can be invalidated if they were obtained by undue influence. So what is that? Let's say that somebody brings a document to their mother, their father, and they say, you need to sign this, and if you don't, then I'll never talk to you again. If you don't, I am going to ruin the family dynamic. If you don't, I'll withhold from you my love and affection. If you don't, I will withhold from you things that you need, right? Maybe they're in a position of, a fiduciary position, a position of caretaking of that individual, where mom or dad relies on them, and if they don't sign this important legal document, they might not receive much needed caretaking services or much needed attention to their finances or anything else that individual may be handling for them. It's important to understand and to investigate that if there was a document executed by a loved one and it seems out of place, it seems like something that they wouldn't have decided themselves but for someone influencing them, then that's something that should be investigated and brought before an attorney to evaluate whether that document was a product of undue influence. Because if it was, you may be able to get that document invalidated through litigation, where you bring a lawsuit and ask the court to invalidate the document because of that undue influence. If an individual asserts undue influence on another person, they may be committing other civil wrongdoings like fraud, constructive fraud, breach of fiduciary duty, and maybe even conversion, which is civil theft. So it's important to, if you find the document that a loved one has done and it seems out of character, it seems like something they wouldn't have done, it goes contrary to what they've communicated their wishes are in the past, then you should investigate, bring that document before an attorney, and figure out whether or not there was undue influence in that situation. If you have questions about undue influence, estate planning documents, or any type of litigation, the challenge documents, give us a call, 704-259-7040, or visit our website, mcelderlaw.com.